Welcome to our Peruvian cooking experience, where food meets culture and history in the heart of Lima. This city is a vibrant tapestry of ancient traditions and modern innovations, making it the perfect backdrop for a culinary adventure. I'm Chef Hector Aguilar Valle, former creative chef at Mido Best Restaurant in South America and the 5th best restaurant in the world. My culinary journey has taken me to the bustling kitchens of San Francisco as French Laundry, Aqua, Michael Mina, and the award-winning Alinea in Chicago, and the prestigious Paul Bocuse in Lyon. From North America to Europe, Australia, Asia, and South and Central America, my journey was driven by a passion for exploring new flavors and learning from local food traditions. Each place I visited offered a unique culinary perspective, enriching my understanding of global cuisine. During my travels, I spent my free time immersing myself in local markets, helping street food vendors, and understanding the stories behind each dish. These experiences taught me that food is not just about taste, but also about culture, history, and community, and taking cooking classes from masters of traditional cuisine. These masters, often unsung heroes of their culinary traditions, shared their secrets and techniques with me, deepening my appreciation for authentic cooking. It is this blend of global experience and deep love for authentic food that I now bring to you here in Lima. Here, we celebrate the rich culinary heritage of Peru, a country known for its diverse and flavorful cuisine. In our Peruvian cooking classes, we don't just teach you how to cook. We invite you into an intimate and personalized experience. Our classes are designed to be hands-on and interactive, allowing you to truly immerse yourself in the cooking process. Imagine preparing traditional Peruvian dishes in an amazing outdoor space, surrounded by the sights and sounds of Lima. The fresh air, the vibrant colors, and the historic backdrop all add to the magic of the experience. With a view of a 2,000-year-old pre-Incan temple, the Huacapuclana is not just a stunning visual, but a reminder of the deep history and cultural significance of the land we are cooking on. We offer different packages tailored to your needs, ensuring that everyone, from novice cooks to seasoned chefs, can find a class that suits their interests and skill levels. From beginners looking for a fun day of cooking, where you can learn the basics of Peruvian cuisine and enjoy a relaxed social atmosphere, to seasoned food lovers wanting to dive deep into the techniques of Peruvian cuisine. Our advanced classes cover intricate recipes and sophisticated techniques, perfect for those looking to expand their culinary repertoire. Whether you're here for a single class or a full culinary journey, you'll leave not only with delicious recipes, but also unforgettable memories. Our goal is to make each class a memorable experience, filled with laughter, learning, and, of course, incredible food. When you cook with us, it's like cooking with lifelong friends. We foster a warm and welcoming environment where everyone feels at home, regardless of their cooking experience. We believe that food brings people together, and in our classes, you'll feel that special connection. Sharing a meal is one of the most intimate and joyful experiences, and we strive to create that sense of community in every class. Join us in this one-of-a-kind culinary experience, where the flavors of Peru come to life. From the tangy ceviche to the hearty lomo saltado, you'll discover the rich and diverse flavors that make Peruvian cuisine so special. Book your class today, and let's cook together. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a group of friends, we have a class that's perfect for you. Come and create delicious memories with us in the heart of Lima. Our team includes Jose Aguilar, chef de cuisine at Mido, and Ricardo Cespedes, an institution in Peruvian culinary. Together, we make our Peruvian cooking classes the place to go for an unforgettable culinary experience.